my channel Turn to Technology. My name is Asif Khan. As we know, we are doing PLC training, and we have already done timer and counter and repeat process on the software. Now our next topic is compare block. So basically, what is the compare block? Compare blocks are the block which basically used to compare the value of timer and the value of counter and the integers value. So let's see. Like first one, these blocks are used to compare the values. Values basically used for to compare the values. So there is different type of blocks. The first one is greater than like this. Second, less than this. Third, equal to this. Four, greater than, equal to, that is like this. Fifth, less than, equal to, that is this. And fifth, sixth, not equal to. So these are the different type of block we are going to use in our PLC. So let's take an example, okay, how to use these block in program. Now, instruction for Mitsubishi PLC. So what we have to what type of instruction we have to use for compare block? So simple, we have to type LD space LD S1 space S2 and S3. S1 is a type of compare, like greater than, like less than, like greater than equal to, less than equal to. S2 will be the first compare value and S3 will be the second compare value. Just like this, LD equal to T1 T2. If the value of timer 1 and timer 2 are same, that means at that time output Y1 will be on. I hope it's clear. The second one, LD greater than T1 T2 means timer value T1. If the T1 value greater than T2, output will be on. I hope it's clear to everyone. So let's use in Mitsubishi software. Okay.
Now let's make a new program. So LD X1 out Y1 or Y1 holding, and use timer LD Y1 out T1 K100 LD T1 out Y2 LD Y2 out T2 K150. Now this is our program. So what we have to do, we have to check the compare block. Let's make a compare block. LD equal to T1 T2. If the value of T1 T2 are same, the output out Y3 will be on. If LD less than T1 T2, that means T1 value is less than T2, so output out Y4 will be on. If LD greater than space T1 T2, so output Y5 will be on, and LD equal to less than T1 K100. If the value of timer less than 100, so output 6 will be out, 6 will be on. I hope it's clear. This is our program. So let's convert it F4. Now using simulator mode, it takes some time. It's almost completed. Now it's completed. So online mode is coming. So let's check it. Let's check this program. Now you can check both the timers are 0. That means timer 1 value equal to timer 2. That means both are equal. Hence output Y3 is on. Similarly, value of T1 less than 100. That means T1 is 0. So that means 0 is less than 100. Y6 already on. Okay. So let's start. Right click, device test and on. So you can see easily timer value is increasing continuously and T1 is greater than T2 now. So output Y5 is on. And now you can see timer 2 is started and here timer 2 is coming and now timer 2 is greater than T1, so Y4 is on. So I think from it you can easily understand the value of how to use a compare block. So now is timer 2 is 150 and timer 1 is 100. So timer 2 is greater than timer 1, that means output Y4 is on. I hope you understand. So if you understand the video, please like, comment and share and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.